Hi, welcome to Upskilling in PowerPoint. Today we're going to talk about transition basics. PowerPoint gives you a lot of options for transitions, and the way you're going to find them is up in your top menu. You're going to have something that says transitions, and it should look roughly like this. And in the middle, there should be a way to open it up, and you should be able to see that they have sections. So you have a subtle section. I recommend this for corporate, plain events, formal events, exciting, and dynamic. And I'm going to show you examples of many of these in a few minutes. Almost all the transitions that you choose up here can also be edited. For example, in this slide, I have shape chosen as a transition. If I come over to After Effects, I can select diamond instead. The diamond shows up in the little effects window. And then you can choose how long you want the transition to last, if you want it to be a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, whether the slide is going to transition on a mouse click or after a certain amount of time. You can even add sounds. PowerPoint has quite a few default sounds that you can add in. You can even upload your own here. You can loop it. You can play around and have a lot of fun there. Apply to all is exactly that. You pick a shape transition, apply it to all, and all the transitions. I want to point out that over on the side here, you see this little star. That indicates there's an animation. Because a transition is considered an animation, that's why you see the star show up. Just 3 quick transition tips for you. Consistency, subtle elegance, and a fun flair. Consistency is making sure your whole deck looks the same and has the same feel throughout. Subtle elegance is, less is more quite often. For formal or corporate decks, just stick to the subtle ones up here in the top, the subtle ones. I would recommend not doing flash, but some of these other ones, random bars and flash can get a bit much. And then a fun flair, when you're doing a Christmas presentation, something to show off awards, something that doesn't have to do with corporate, come in and play with these. They're a lot of fun, and people will be pretty impressed with your skills. Now let's dive into what some of these transitions look like. So I'm going to put this into a quick slideshow mode and just walk you through. So this is going to be the fade transition, the push transition, wipe, reveal, shape, cover, fall over, peel off, flip, cube, doors, zoom, pan, conveyor, ripple, and this is one of my favorites. It's a curtain effect. Now for the curtain effect, I just want to make a quick note. You have to put a slide before it with something that you want to open like a curtain. So it's best to have 2 together for that particular effect. I'm just going to jump into some of these real quick. For, let's just see here. For a wipe one, this one is push. It's actually set to be a push one. And again, you can come over here and change how it works. You can have it come from the left, the right, from the top. This slide is our reveal slide. I know it says something different at the bottom. That was so you could see it transitioning from this slide to this slide. I just want to show you real quick. You can change it and then preview real quick. And if you don't like that one, just pick something else. Let's go grab one of these fun ones. Let's grab airplane and we can preview that. That's fun. And again, you can go to the right or the left, change duration, any of that. Maybe you want to do page curl, and you can change the effects right there. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.